Hey, I'm Cowboy Cattleman Cowman Caleb.
And I'm Cowgirl Country Crop Raising Kristen.
And I'm Todd Tractor. I'm Todd.
And we're from Sandbaggy.
Sandbaggy.
Sandbaggy 16D Duplex nails, which are 3.5 inches long, are construction grade and durable. Sandbaggy Duplex nails are constructed from an 8-gauge black annealed steel, offering exceptional strength. Nails can easily be removed without damaging the surrounding material. All you need is to use the reverse end of a claw hammer to remove this double-headed nail.
Ah, man, I need a left-handed hammer.
These nails are packaged 100 pieces per bag for your convenience. Sandbaggy nails are super easy to install. They feature a smooth shank and a sharp tip. Ow, that really is sharp.
Ow, you're right. These duplex nails are fantastic for framing, forming, scaffolding, and much, much more.
Sandbaggy is my one-stop shop for all my concrete forming supplies.
At a wholesale price, that's a deal.
Free shipping everywhere in the United States. And remember, cut out the middleman for huge savings.
Woo! Todd!
Todd, get back here! Todd! Get a ton of these in one swoop.
And don't be afraid to ask for a sample. We know
Whoa!
you're gonna love it.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Caleb!
Ow! Good!
Sandbaggy is an American Christian-run company based in California that's trusted by government agencies, farmers, landscapers, and homeowners across this great country.